This is in the National Folklore Museum.
It's North Korea, South Korea. And Busan is here.
Oh, yeah, in Busan, yes.
Seoul is here. North Sarang is here.
And this is Gaesong.
Yeah, Kaesong is here. So, and this one is Busan. Daegu is here. Right here, Daegu. And this side is Baekje. This side is Shilla.
Sheila.
This whole area is and Manchuria belongs to Goguryeo.
So we're now walking inside the National Folklore Museum of Korea. This
during Three Kingdoms,
and this is my it's dark. This is my Egypt friend Fentley.
the inside of the tomb is a balhe. This balhe was actually after fall of Goguryeo. The Goguryeo general found the balhe in the same place where the Goguryeo located. Goguryeo was located. It's Manchuria. It's a balhe's royal family's tomb was like this, and we put the coffin here, and on both sides we painted the mural painting. It's in olden times. It's during the party. They do the party like that. This is the Gyeongju city, the capital of the Shilla Kingdom for 900 years. In Gyeongju there are many cut relics, so Gyeongju is called the open museum like Roma. And it's a memory service. It's every year. After harvest when they fish it, they pray the for happiness to the
แล้วก็สอบคือพวกพืชตระกูลสาหร่ายและสาหร่ายที่นี่จะเยอะนะครับสาหร่ายเยอะครับและที่ญี่ปุ่นนั้นจะมีพวกปลาเยอะ
Oh, they're Thai. They're Thai. They're speaking Thai.
They put the wooden coffin here and the personal films. Here the personal films is put here.
ก็คือยุคของโคเรียวและยุคโคเรียวนะครับเราดูสังเกตที่เครื่องปั้นดินเผาต่างๆเหมือนจีนนะครับ
For
เหมื
this
อนจีน
Korea,
เยอะเลยเพราะว่ายุคนี้เป็นเส้นทางสายไหมติดต่อค้าขายที่กับ
Korean
Oh,
Celadon.
Celadon?
The Celadon.
Celadon, yes, Korean Celadon.
Left one is a blue Celadon. It's during the Goryeo Kingdom, blue Celadon was famous.
สิ่งอะไรต่างๆ
On the right side is Catherine during last kingdom.
สีฟ้าอมเขียวสีฟ้าอมเขียวนี้นะครับมันเป็นเซรามิกประจำชาติของเกาหลีครับและก็ได้ค่อยๆ
And right.
ในยุคโคเรียนะครับบอกว่าเรียนที่มาของภาษาจีน
These are ancient Korean.
Buddhist scripture.
Buddhist
It was printed by the printing system already. More than 1,000 years ago, during the Shilla Kingdom, the Buddhist scripture was printed like this with the printing system, the oldest. From Three Kingdoms to Goryeo Kingdom, the last kingdom, we had the printing system, metal printing system, wooden printing system first, and metal printing system. During Goryeo Kingdom, we had the metal printing system already. First, the Buddhist scripture was